Hi, and in this video we will be discussing about LiveAgent, and this is the best customer care solution for businesses. Now, before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial. So make sure to give it a try. Now here you can see that we have our LiveAgent, and this platform is basically going to be asking you for your, let's say, microphone integration and also access. So make sure to give it a permission to enable that. Now we have the dashboard in here, and we have various options, like for example we can upload your logo for branding, we can add users, we can, it is basically getting started guide. So you can see we can add a chat button, set up customer portal, connect your social media pages, and much more. So if we head over to your tickets section, you can even create your tickets, and these are going to be basically related to your customers that are gonna help their queries. Now let's just head back. You have our chats. So this is basically the chats system that you can create. You can see your chat history, online visitors. So basically, since it is a software that is used for customer care, chatting is an important part. And you can also see the chat load, chat availability, agent availability. Everything is going to be provided and could be totally created and customized as well. You have your chat buttons that you can add. Simply click on this create, and you can see these chat buttons. Those are usually popping up on the lower right side of the website. So using these you can create different chat systems. You can have your chat bubbles. So different templates are available in here to get started with. You can create amazing type of support system using this, and it is also going to be looking really nice. You have your calls. So of course active calls are going to be displayed in here. You can create them. You have your teams and customers. You have your reports that are going to be displaying based on your activities on the platform. So many other systems and features are available in here. Make sure to dive in and explore yourself as well, adding on to LiveAgent's reviews and what people have to say about it. With LiveAgent we are able to meet the needs of my customers. We can simplify a lot of customer service processes. So really amazing tool that you guys should also try out. Make sure to give it a try to LiveAgent using the link in the description, that you can get exclusive bonuses as well extended free trials. So yeah, that is it for this video. See you guys around in the next video.